Welcome, viewers. In this video, we'll introduce you to your cybersecurity journey, where we're kicking it off right from the core hardware and networks. You're about to embark on a quest to fortify your digital fortress. Don't forget, hitting that like and subscribe button isn't just cool, it's crucial. It's all about showing love and gaming the system to spread the word. Step 1. Computer hardware and networking. We're talking about the backbone of all tech, the bits and pieces that make up your computer and internet connection. CPUs, RAMs, SSDs, GPUs, and all that jazz, plus routers, switches, and firewalls. This stuff's the bread and butter of cybersecurity because, let's face it, vulnerabilities in these areas are like open doors to threats. Think of your computer and network as the plumbing and electrical systems of a house. Your hardware components, like the CPU, GPU, and RAM, are the pipes, wires, and water heater working behind the walls, out of sight but essential for keeping everything flowing smoothly. Networking gear like routers and switches are the main electrical panel and water mains, directing traffic and ensuring the right amount of juice and water gets to the right place at the right time. Step 2. Operating systems and system administration, the digital soul of your tech. Whether you're a Windows warrior, a Linux lover, or a Mac OS master, knowing your OS is like knowing the layout of your own home. System administration's the game here, where you'll learn to manage users, wrestle with file systems, and keep the digital peace. Imagine an operating system as the foundation and frame of your house. It's what gives structure to everything you build on top. System administration is like the ongoing maintenance and renovation work, updating the plumbing, patching the roof, and rewiring the electric system to keep the house safe, secure, and running efficiently. Step 3. Basics of cybersecurity. Understanding the dark arts of threats, vulnerabilities, and encryption is like learning the spells to keep the digital demons at bay. It's your first real step into becoming a cybersecurity wizard. Entering the realm of cybersecurity is like stepping into a medieval battlefield. Your knowledge of threats, vulnerabilities, and countermeasures is your armor, sword, and shield, defending against the onslaught of arrows, threats, trying to find the chink in your armor, vulnerabilities. Step 4. Programming and scripting basics. Python, JavaScript, Bash, these are the tools of your trade. They're like the toolkit for automating tasks, crafting security tools, and cracking codes. Think of programming and scripting as learning the spells and incantations of a powerful wizard. Each language, Python, JavaScript, Bash, is a different school of magic, with its own unique spells for automating tasks, crafting magical artifacts, security tools, and deciphering ancient scripts, exploit codes. Step 5. Advanced cybersecurity concepts. Penetration testing, digital forensics, cybersecurity frameworks. This is where you learn to think like a hacker to beat a hacker. It's all about understanding the battlefield to protect your turf. Advancing in cybersecurity is linked to becoming a master detective or a spy. Penetration testing is your undercover mission, digital forensics your crime scene investigation, and learning about cybersecurity frameworks is like mastering the laws and codes that govern the realm of security and espionage. Step 6. And just when you thought you were done, bam! Specialization and certification. Pick your path, whether it's network security, ethical hacking, or cloud security, and get those creds to prove your prowess. It's like choosing your character in the ultimate game of digital defense. Choosing a specialization and pursuing certification is like selecting your character class in an RPG and leveling up. Whether you choose to be a warrior, network security, a rogue, ethical hacking, or a mage, cloud security, each path offers unique skills and abilities that define your role in the party, cybersecurity team. Step 7. Practical application and continuous learning. Finally, remember, this ain't a one-and-done deal. Cybersecurity's a wild ride that never stops. Applying what you've learned and staying up to date is like being a lifelong apprentice in a guild. The world of cybersecurity is an ever-evolving beast, a dragon that grows two heads for every one that's cut off. Continuous learning, practical exercises, and real-world challenges, like CTF competitions, are the trials that turn apprentices into masters. Keep learning, keep playing, keep hacking. Set up your lab, jump into CTF competitions, and stay on top of the game. Because in the world of cybersecurity, the only constant is change. So there you have it, your guide to becoming a cybersecurity champion, illustrated with a dash of creativity to bring these concepts to life. Arm yourself with knowledge, skill up, and take on the cyber challenges head-on. Peace out and stay safe.